Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active2 and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. The volume buttons at this device are here, so let me try to use them now to see how they work with the camera. And as you can see now, by tapping on them, I can easily take a picture. To change it function, let's go to the left side to the settings icon, so we can open the advanced camera options. Now we have to slide a little bit down to useful features category and pick shooting methods. Here at the first position we have press volume key 2, so when we pick it, we can change it from take picture or record video, which is now, to zoom or system volume. Now let me pick zoom to show you how it works different, and let's move back to the camera. And let me try to use volume keys once again. As you can see now, I can easily get closer to my subject and also move back, so I can use zoom by tapping on volume buttons. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.